Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a stage 3 remap on a VAUXHALL MERIVA 1.3 diesel 2007. We're going to use the ECM Titanium software and we'll open up the percentage chart as well. We're doing a stage 3, so I'll have that highlighted, and we'll go on to ECM Titanium and click browse for the original file. That's the original file. We'll press enter to open, and since this file has been done before, I've done a stage 1 and a stage 2 remap, and I'll leave the links to that below. Click yes and double click the driver that you need. Click yes because you want to continue, and now we have the injection maps first. On this one, the injection map is a 10% increase, so we'll go back onto ECM, select the injection map and keep the percentage on 1, have the percent button selected, select the data and press page up to increase all of the values by 1%. That makes it 2%. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Once that's done, we can close this and move on to the next injection map, and we're going to do the same thing here. Keep the percentage on 1, select the percent button and select the data and increase all of it by 1% each time so that we can get a total of 10%. And once that's done, we can close this and go on to the next one, which is the torque limiter. Torque limiter on stage 3, we're increasing by 45%. So if I open this up, press enter to access the map and take the percentage up to 45. Once we have 45, we need to click the percent button and select all of the data. Once it's all selected, press page up so that we can get a 45% increase on all of it. After that's done, you can close it and do not modify similar maps. Click OK and move on to the next one. Same process on this one as well. Select all of it, have the percent button selected and page up to increase all of the values. And the same thing on the last map as well. Enter to access the map, have the percent button selected and press page up. Once that's done, that's your whole remap done. You can close this and make sure do not modify similar maps. Click OK and that is your map ready. So what you want to do now is click save, click no and click yes to export the modified file. Go onto the original folder and rename this one stage 3 power mod. Click enter to save. You can close all of this as the files are saved now. Open up the main folder and as you can see, you've got the stage 3 power mod remap ready to go. And now that's ready. If you notice, all of the other files we've made before, which I will leave a link for in the description, and there's no changes in the file size at all. If there's any mistake while you're doing this, you'll have to check some errors and there will be other errors that show, but clearly as you can see with the good remap, you don't get any of that. Make sure to like the video, leave a comment if you have any suggestions and subscribe to our channel, and make sure you click the bell icon to get regular notifications of our new uploads.